Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen, Fluidity of Life. Today I'm going to be making a quick 2 ahi tuna steak, and then I butterflied it open. A little salt, pepper, and paprika. Some buttery garlic, sauteed shrimp. Got shrimp here, I got it salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of pepper flakes. So let's get started. I got a cast iron pan at medium high. We're gonna start sauteing some red onions. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, a couple tablespoons, and red onions. Sweat that a little bit. A little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt, and 2 little pigs. Two to 3 minutes. Add a tablespoon of butter. Add the oil first so the butter don't burn on me. Add a couple minced garlic. Start smelling good right away. Don't want this too high, otherwise the garlic's gonna burn on you. Got a low, medium, high, about 3 or 4, depending on your stove. You got gas or electric, always a different temperature, so watch out so the garlic don't burn. I'll do my shrimp first. I got shrimp here. I got it salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of pepper flakes. I just combined all that and then tossed the shrimp a little bit to get it all coated. I'm going to move the garlic and onion to the side a little bit so it's a bit cooler on the end. So leave it on the end. If you got a wok, you can put it up to the side. Different temperature there. I'm going to toss my shrimp in there. So 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and maybe a minute or 2 on the other side, depending. This is a large shrimp, and that'll skin off and clean. So we're frozen, so they're on bottom now. Prefer fresh ones, but Minnesota usually you get frozen, so the shrimp's done when it looks like a C shape. Oh, alphabet C. If it's an O, it's usually overcooked, so don't want it overcooked, otherwise it can get rubbery on you. Once you did a minute or 2 on one, a minute on the other side. The shrimp I'm going to take off now. on the side. Half of a Roma tomato. That in there. Bring down the temperature a little bit so the garlic won't burn on you. Garlic cooked ready. Sitting there on the side, so them look good there. Reduce that down just a little bit, get the tomato cooked. Just a little bit of oil. A little bit of broth there if you want, or if you got a little bit of port wine or whatever you like. If you want Asian, you can add a little bit of soy sauce if you want. Set that in with finished add a little bit of olive oil, my ahi tuna, get that reheated up, turn up the heat a little bit, give it a good sear on your tuna. Got the tuna here. I got a 2 ahi tuna steak, and then I butterflied it open. A little salt, pepper, and paprika. Just set it down and leave it about 3 minutes since I butterflied them, depending on how rare you want the tuna. Get some loose when it's cooked. Don't slide around, it's usually not done. This one kind of looks like a stingray shape, I guess. In an odd shape they come frozen. Take a peek. That looks good. And give that a flip. And the other one. And a couple more minutes on that side. You flip it, and you give it a little bit of a pinch of lemon in there. You turn down your heat now. Now I like that rice going ready. And then I'm going to give it just a pinch of soy sauce at the end. Okay. That's done. We're going to plate it up and then we'll let you show you what it looks like with shrimp and ahi tuna together. Okay, we got some Sara Philippine relish that my wife made. There's a recipe for that on one of our blogs, so you can check that out. relish on the side. And for a little taste test, let's see what my recipe is. Rice and shrimp. Got shrimp here. Very good. And the relish. Pickly. Ooh, that's sour. Whoa. T-shirt can make a good relish. And let's see how the tuna turned out. I haven't bite of the tuna. A little bit of lemon and soy sauce at the end. Perfect. You guys will love it. Give it a try. I hope you like my vlog. And if you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so. See you later.